The latest news, updates, and more from the world of health and medicine. This is Medical Minutes with Wish TV's medical reporter, Dr. Mary Gillis.
New at 5, the debate over a pediatric physician who lost his job at Ascension St. Vincent Hospital for refusing to get a COVID vaccine. We first told you of the story of Dr. Paul Halczenko earlier this week. Let's go ahead and show you exactly what he said about his religious objection to the COVID vaccine.
It is well documented that cell lines from aborted babies were used in the testing and development of the 3 currently available coronavirus vaccines. I'm not saying that there are fetal parts of any kind in these vaccines, but aborted baby tissue was used in the testing and development of these vaccines.
Joining us now is Wish TV's medical reporter, Dr. Mary Gillis. So, Mary, you're a research expert. Let's break this down into 2 specific parts. First, is there any evidence that the coronavirus vaccine itself contains tissue from aborted fetuses?
No, Alexis, absolutely not. There is no evidence to support the coronavirus vaccine contains fragments of fetal tissue from aborted fetuses. This is according to scientists from across the United States and the globe. Researchers have published these papers, and they can be found in the U.S. National Library of Medicine, which is the research database for the National Institutes of Health.
Okay, so let's move to the second part of this. Dr. Halczenko's point. Did the testing and development of these vaccines include tissue from aborted fetuses?
Well, Alexis, research shows it is connected to aborted fetuses from 40 to 50 years ago. So let's give context to that. The technology used to develop these vaccines to protect against coronavirus has been around for decades. It includes 2 cell lines developed from tissue from aborted fetuses from the 1970s and 1980s. The AstraZeneca and Johnson & Johnson vaccines used those cell lines in development and testing. Okay, however, since it's been so many decades, these cell lines no longer contain remnants of actual fetal tissue. Pfizer and Moderna do not use these fetus-derived cell lines. They were researched and developed differently, and they are known as the mRNA vaccines.
So let's talk about what the Christian community has to say about this.
So the Vatican says Catholics worldwide can get the vaccines. Their official statement reads, when ethically irreproachable COVID-19 vaccines are not available, it is morally acceptable to receive COVID-19 vaccines that have used cell lines from aborted fetuses in their research and production processes. Other Christian groups have issued similar statements, but let's be clear, the opinion is not universal.
Mary, thank you so much for digging into that for us.
Thank you, Alexis.
Learn more and get more with Wish TV. Online at wishtv.com, and when you follow Wish TV on Facebook, be sure to check out more great podcasts from the All Indiana Podcast Network now at allindianapodcastnetwork.com.